Ole ole, this is Hellhound Engineering Solutions bringing you a down and dirty 2010 Honda Odyssey rear DVD player removal and replacement. Before you proceed, remove the fuse or disconnect your battery so there is no power to your DVD player. To remove the old rear DVD unit, you need to remove the kick panels on both sides of the lower center rear DVD console. They are held in with push pins, one on each panel. Wiggle the panel with pushing and pulling until it snaps free. Then repeat for the other side. The lower center DVD panel is held on with 4 screws. The 2 lower screws that were covered by the kick panel and the upper screws hidden by the cup holder. Open the cup holder to access the 2 screws. After you remove the 4 screws, the center DVD panel will snap free. It takes a little work to pull it down. Just take your time and use a wedge or other tool to separate the snap seams that are holding it together. I used a flat wood chisel. When the center DVD console is free, it opens or comes down, exposing the DVD player. You can move the console left or right, giving you a little more access to the DVD player. There will be a bracket holding the DVD player to the vehicle dash frame. Remove the bracket from the frame behind the center console by removing 4 bolts. The DVD player will now drop down, exposing the 4 screws holding it to the bracket. Remove the 4 screws. Once freed, this will now give you more wiggle room to remove the 2 cables from the back of the DVD player. The old DVD player is now free of all its restraints. On the top of the DVD player, you will have a sticker with the model number and reference number. Use this when ordering a replacement. Chances are that it has been discontinued, so you'll have to try to find a refurbished one or a used one from a junkyard or eBay. Just be aware that my luck has been about 50-50 on getting a working replacement. Now it is time to install the replacement DVD player. Plug in the cables and replace the fuse to make sure that the DVD works before putting everything back together. Okay, now do everything in reverse. Connect the DVD to the support bracket. Secure the support bracket to the dash frame. Replace the center console and kick plates. Just remember to pull out the push pins so they attach correctly. All done and working correctly. Oh yeah! Ole ole, another down and dirty do-it-yourself project. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.